I have the wireless keyboard here, so go ahead and open it just to show you how easy it is to put together. One thing that I see first is it's nice and big, so you can see easily all the keys, and it's even got kind of a wrist rest here. If we turn it over, we will need to get a coin to open this up. This is where the USB receiver will be. So we'll go ahead and do that and show you how to install it. This does come with a wonderful user guide here just to walk you through how to pair it and everything else. But once we do this, you can open this. It has the USB pairing here. It does take a AA battery that is not included, so you'll want to have one of those. Go ahead and put that in. Next, I will just take my fob here and plug that in down below. So if it does not pair right away, you will want to go through and follow this and press escape plus and not in my typing one, and obviously it paired. They do say if it doesn't pair, you can press escape plus and equals at the same time and it should pair. You want it to be within 20 centimeters to pair the first time, but otherwise it's got all of your standard features. You can hit number lock, we have caps lock, you know, kind of the standard keyboard. Just feeling this has a really nice, it has a good feel when you click the keys. It also doesn't, none of the keys are sticky, and it's not a loud typewriter setting. The other part is it does have the stands here, so you can adjust it, but I do really like this because you can sit here, or I can move it if I want to sit somewhere else and carry it on my lap. This would also be great if you're using like a large monitor, say you have a computer hooked up to a large TV for a presentation. You can have this keyboard anywhere you want.